Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up or delete or add the lock screen shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so first open up the settings, and here scroll down a little bit and find the wallpaper and style section. Here press on the lock screen, and as you can see we have the two shortcuts right here. So choose the desired one and set it to no app if you want to disable it, or choose the app that you want to have a shortcut for. For example, I want my Google Disk, so I just press the Google Disk icon, and the same goes for the second shortcut. And I don't want any shortcut to be on my right side, so I just disable it. And when you're done, just press the done button, and if we turn the phone off, as you can see, we have the Google Disk right here. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.